Hello, my friends in NTG. This is a quick video to remind you that you need to activate your robot every Sunday between 00 hours and 23 hours UTC. So please use Google to check the accurate time that corresponds to your local country time with this time that you are looking at right now on the screen. Okay, but in this video I will show you how to activate your robot every Sunday. So very quickly, if you have registered in NTG, we are required to activate our robot every Sunday. Okay, so now on Sunday, when you log in into your account, you will see that your robot status will say inactive, and then below the inactive you will see where they say the robot must be activated every Sunday between 12 midnight and 23 hours UTC. So please make sure you're logging into your account every Sunday and activate your robot. Now, how do you activate your robot? It's easy to activate your robot. Just log in into your account, go to my advertising tab, and then scroll down to the bottom. You will see your activate robot button. Just click on the activate robot button. When you click on the activate robot button, you should get this message. Okay, this message should pop up and says robot activated successfully on activation day. Simple and easy. Okay, now some people are getting confused when they click on the activate robot. They don't recognize that this message will pop up, and then they keep clicking on the activate robot, and it's going to tell them that you have clicked on the activate robot repeatedly. So what you then need to do is to refresh your screen. When you refresh your screen, you will notice that your robot will now become active. Okay, but please make sure every Sunday you activate your robot. I hope this video helps you to learn how to activate your robot, and also remind you to activate your robot on weekly basis every Sunday. What happens if you don't activate your robot? You will lose your profit that week. Okay, and then the following Sunday, remember to activate your robot. If you are already in NTG as a member, you can always activate your robot only on Sundays. If you miss the deadline on Sunday, you won't be able to activate it within the week. All right, so guys, thank you very much. For those of you looking to sign up, the link to sign up is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my NTG team. Thank you.